Hello YouTube. This is a noise test for the Rio 2100 submersible pump that I have in my sump. So I recently installed the sump and got it all plumbed, and I noticed that the pump makes a light noise. It's certainly not silent. It's not terribly annoying because it's kind of like the sound of your refrigerator in the background in the house, because your refrigerator's on all the time. So it's comparable to that. But I'll be quiet and I'll move the camera down close so you can hear it. So that buzzing sound is the pump. Now you can also hear the trickle because this is a wet-dry filter, but ignore that. And I can mitigate it a little bit by putting the cover on the sump. So it's a little bit better. That's with the cover on. But I thought maybe that would help someone who's interested in knowing what kind of noise the pump makes. It's not a really loud noise. It's a fairly quiet noise, but it isn't silent. And I'm kind of picky about the noise on my tank and related equipment. Hope that helps.